Namaste. Today we'll do a flip through for this book. I know these are stock images. I have already purchased a few books from this series. The first book I had purchased was this one, and I really liked it, and because of that I purchased this and this. But the others I had not purchased because I do have a lot of books which have flowers and Indian paisleys and mandalas and all. Also, I'm not a very big fan of art deco, but this book intrigued me, so that's why I purchased this one, and I think this is the last in the series. It's the volume 10. So let's check. They have credited a artist. I thought these were stock images, so they have credited Julie Anson. So this is just a repeat from one of their other books. This is horrible. See, this is a problem when you purchase books from cheap publishers, or not reputed publishing companies. So this book, look, what is the difference? So yeah, not a very good thing. I think even this one is already repeated from one of their other books called Zen or something like that. This is different. This is also there in this book. I remember very clearly seeing it. Same thing with this. This is also repeated. This is also repeated. Okay, so for me, this book is basically a combination of all their other books, is what I can say. But since I don't have all the books, some of the images are new for me. Since I have some of the books, some of the images, like this one, is a duplicate, because it is a part of another book of this, which was I think called Peace or something like that. Anyways, it's just, even this one is duplicated. It's a good thing that you can actually color each page in a different combination and have a different outcome, but like this page is literally it's there in one of their other books also, so a bit disappointed, but a lesson well learned. I will not purchase any more books from this series. Sorry for my neighbor's dog. And that's it. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so. Thanks for having stopped by. Have a nice day. Bye.